Power Supply Unit Certifications explained. A power supply unit is a crucial component of any PC, providing stable power to all internal hardware. To ensure efficiency and reliability, many PSUs come with certifications that help consumers make informed choices. Among these, the most recognized certification is the 80+ certification, which rates efficiency levels. The 80+ certification was introduced to promote energy efficiency in power supplies. A power supply unit with this certification guarantees at least 80% energy efficiency at 20%, 50%, and 100% of its rated load. This means that only 20% or less of the energy is lost as heat, improving overall performance and reducing electricity costs. 80+ efficiency ratings. There are several tiers of 80+ certification, each indicating a higher level of efficiency. 80+ standard 80% efficiency at 20%, 50%, and 100% load. 80+ bronze 82% efficiency at 20% load, 85% at 50%, and 82% at 100%. 80+ silver 85% efficiency at 20% load, 88% at 50%, and 85% at 100%. 80+ gold 87% efficiency at 20% load, 90% at 50%, and 87% at 100%. 80+ platinum 90% efficiency at 20% load, 92% at 50%, and 89% at 100%. 80+ titanium 92% efficiency at 20% load, 94% at 50%, 90% at 100%. The higher the certification, the less energy is wasted as heat, which translates to lower power consumption and a longer lifespan for components. Apart from the 80+ certification, some PSUs may carry additional safety and quality certifications, such as CE, Conformite Européenne, ensures the product meets European Union safety and environmental requirements. UL, Underwriters Laboratories, indicates that the PSU has been tested for safety in North America. TÜV, Technische Überwachungsverein, a German certification for electrical and mechanical safety. FCC, Federal Communications Commission, ensures the PSU does not cause harmful electromagnetic interference. RoHS, Restriction of Hazardous Substances, confirms the PSU is free from hazardous materials such as lead and mercury. Why power supply unit certifications matter? Certified power supply unit offers several benefits, including higher energy efficiency reduces electricity costs and environmental impact. Improved reliability, less heat generation means longer lifespan and stability. Enhanced safety reduces the risk of electrical faults, overheating, and short circuits. Better performance provides stable voltage output, crucial for gaming and professional workloads. Conclusion: when choosing a PSU for your PC, opting for a certified model ensures better efficiency, reliability, and safety. The 80+ certification remains the most significant indicator of PSU efficiency, while other safety certifications ensure compliance with industry standards. Investing in a high-quality PSU with proper certification is essential for building a stable and long-lasting PC.